Present perfect continuous tense. Grammar presentation.
When to use present perfect continuous.
Actions that started in the past and continue now. We use the present perfect continuous to talk about actions that began at some point in the past and are still ongoing in the present. Examples: she has been dancing for 2 hours. He has been sleeping all day.
Emphasizing the duration. It helps us emphasize how long an action has been happening or how much time has passed since the action started. Examples: she has been studying all day long. They have been playing football all afternoon. He has been working hard since morning.
How to form present perfect continuous.
Positive form. Start with the subject, add have been, for I, you, we, they, or has been, for he, she, it, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Examples: I have been reading a book. She has been playing the piano. Negative form. Use not after have been or has been to form negative sentences, and add the base form of the verb with ing. Examples: he hasn't been watching TV. They haven't been studying all day. We haven't been eating anything since morning.
Question form. Begin with have or has, add the subject, then been, and finally, add the base form of the verb with ing. Examples: has he been painting a picture? Have you been practicing your guitar? Has she been sleeping all day?
What have you been doing so far today?
Thank you for listening. Present perfect continuous. When to use. To talk about recent actions with present results.
I'm very tired because I have been working all day. Her eyes are red. She has been crying all night.
To talk about actions started in the past and continue until now.
I have been living in Istanbul for 2 years. She has been working here since 2010.
To talk about temporary situations, friends, and changes.
I have been going to the gym a lot recently. He has been learning new Japanese words.
Let's practice creating sentences in present perfect continuous tense. It's time to put your wizardly language skills to the test. Grab your wand and get ready to practice creating sentences in present perfect continuous tense. Use the provided practice sheet below to conjure your own enchanted sentences.
I study, you practice, he work, she dance, it rain, we explore, they play, the wizard cast, the witch brew, the sorcerer chant.
Instructions. Choose a subject from the practice sheet. Select a verb from the corresponding column. Combine the subject, auxiliary verb, have or has, been, and the verb in the ing form to create a sentence in present perfect continuous tense. Let your imagination soar as you weave magical sentences.
Example: subject, I, verb, study, sentence, I've been studying ancient spells for hours.
Quiz time. Implementing present perfect continuous tense.
Are you ready to test your wizardry with present perfect continuous tense? Put on your thinking hat and prepare to fill in the missing verb in the following sentences. Fill the blank with the correct verb and complete each sentence with present perfect continuous tense. Remember, only the right incantation will create the perfect sentence.
The witch dash a powerful potion for hours. They dash their magical skills all day. He dash ancient spells for weeks. She dash her wand movement since morning. The wizards dash their magical abilities tirelessly. I dash potions for years. The sorcerers dash powerful spells for ages. The enchanted creatures dash mischief in the forest all night.
Story time. Identifying present perfect continuous tense sentences.
Once upon a time, in the mystical land of Avaloria, A group of young wizards and witches embarked on a quest to unravel a mysterious enchantment. They had been honing their magical abilities, casting spells, and brewing potions for months. The enchanted forest held the key to breaking the ancient spell. As they ventured deeper, the Sorkers sensed the magic in the air. The enchanted creatures had been acting strangely. Influenced by the spell, the witches had been chanting ancient incantations, seeking a connection with the spirits. The wizards had been deciphering cryptic clues. In a moonlit clearing, they discovered a pulsating artifact. The sorcerers had been sensing its presence all along. With trembling hands, they chant. The final spell, weakening the ancient enchantment, the creatures regained their normal behavior.
Identify the sentences that use present perfect continuous tense.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey through the realm of present perfect continuous tense. By delving into this enchanting linguistic realm, you've expanded your language skills and embarked on a path to mastery.
Keep practicing and honing your language abilities. For continuous effort leads to greatness. Embrace the ongoing adventure of learning and watch your linguistic power soar.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and share to receive more videos like this in the future.
Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs.
Number 1. She study for the test for 2 hours. Number 2. They not play basketball all day. Number 3. Have you read that book. Number 4. He work since morning. Number 5. I not practice the piano lately. Number 6. We travel to different countries. Number 7. They eat at the new restaurant. Number 8. She wait for you for an hour. Number 9. She not run in the marathon. Number 10. We dance at the party all night. Number 11. I not swim in the ocean for a while. Number 12. Has he play soccer for the team? Number 13. You work on the project all day. Number 14. They not watch TV much lately. Number 15. He cook dinner since 6 p.m. Number 16. We not ski in the mountains. Number 17. She paint a new picture. Number 18. They camp in the woods.
Answer sheet.
She has been studying for the test for 2 hours. They have not been playing basketball all day. Have you been reading that book? He has been working since morning. I have not been practicing the piano lately. We have been traveling to different countries.
Have they been eating at the new restaurant? Has she been waiting for you for an hour? She has not been running in the marathon. We have not been dancing at the party all night. I have not been swimming in the ocean for a while. Has he been playing soccer for the team? Have you been working on the project all day? They have not been watching TV much lately. He has been cooking dinner since 6 p.m. We have not been skiing in the mountains. Has she been painting a new picture? Have they been camping in the woods?